Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. We are pleased to announce that GeoTools and CADPower have been updated for BricsCAD V26, and the new release V26 is now compatible with BricsCAD V26. If you have upgraded to BricsCAD V26, you will need to upgrade GeoTools and CADPower as well. But if you are using an older version of BricsCAD, you can still use GeoTools and CADPower V26. So it's backward compatible as far as GeoTools and CADPower are concerned. But if you want to run it on BricsCAD V26, you will have the latest version of GeoTools and CADPower. So go give it a try. Both the software has been updated and are available in the 6 languages that you already know: English, Portuguese, German, Spanish, Italian and French. Thank you very much, and do let me know if you have any questions.